Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants, and I'm so excited to introduce everyone to Dr. Rose, who has just recently started working with our practice, and I'm very excited to see how her artistic eye and her cosmetic background will really add to our practice. She has great bedside manner, and I vouch for her 100%. She's already been putting out great work here and has got a lot of response from patients that, people love her. They love the way she is in terms of her bedside manner and, more importantly, her results. So again, Natural Transplants announcing that we're very happy to have Dr. Rose with us. If you have any questions about any one of our backgrounds, you can contact us here at 844-327-4247 or visit us on our website at naturaltransplants.com.
Thank you, Dr. Huebner.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.